Why haven't you finished your latest home improvement project? Why does it take 10 times longer than it should? Are you suffering from a lack of spare time to get things finished? Did you know there's a way that you can free up more time and keep your current income? Tap on the link to go straight to the videos that show how learning some key digital skills combined with a ready-to-go online system can be exactly what you need to get more time for your projects that you love. I'm sure you'll agree, there's nothing more satisfying than completing a project and then enjoy having your creations surrounding you every day thinking, I did that, wow. There's pride, elation, satisfaction, accomplishment, finishing what you start. It's a great feeling. Over the years, I've done sliding doors, cupboards, love shelves, a terrace outside, even a green roof. But it can take months when only using those spare hours in the evenings or at weekends. And then you have to balance your family life with the time spent alone in the workshop or the basement. And it's a tough sacrifice, family time. To be selfish just to fulfill your creative DIY thirst, even when that project is going to benefit the whole house and the whole family. But there is another way where you don't have to sacrifice the family time and you can have all the time you need for your projects. This is the solution I want to share with you. You need the 2 Ds, but not a drill and duct tape, not for this one. You need delegation and digital skills. So how is it possible then? Well, basically, to free up time, you need to delegate the act of earning an income, not necessarily to someone else, like your kids, that would be child labour, or to your partner, your wife, yeah, she wouldn't be so happy with that, or friends or family, but you could delegate it to something else, like a robot, a computer system, an online system. Now, everything is being automated these days, so why not make use of this new technology? Combine that delegation with some digital skills, and the digital skills you can learn easily online. It's all on demand. With those 2 things combined, you've got everything you need to earn an income online. It's really that simple. Your digital skills will even allow you to showcase your talents or passions, like your home improvement projects, even turning them into a revenue stream. The ideas are endless. And the delegation part, well, that allows you to be promoting your business 24/7. So when you can delegate the task of earning an income, you no longer need the compensation for your time, which is basically your job. So you have more time to focus on the projects that you want to tackle. Hope you can see the sense here. Now, take a moment, bring all those projects on your to-do list to the front of your mind, and imagine for the next months, you've got no time commitments, apart from your family and sleeping. And the income is just rolling in automatically into your account. I'm sure you're going to get so much done the next few months, bathing in this sea of satisfaction from finally being able to do what you love. Maybe it's the green roof, the sliding door, the terrace, or some landscaping in the garden. So tap on the link, share your contact details with me, and I'll show you how learning some key digital skills combined with a ready-to-go online system can be your path to getting more time for the projects that you love. Thank you for watching.